Receiving my content. Please wait. Your audience will see what? Okay. Offline. You're live. Offline. To stop, use your encoder. I believe I'm online. Yeah. Oh, people will see all my tabs and I was like, what the hell is he? What? Some of the tabs from yesterday, some of them from 3 days ago. And they will just like, what is he doing on YouTube now? Well, I almost gave up on coding after all these crashes that crashed my morality and energy and mood in the same time with one stone. So I took a break, then I took a break of the break, then took a break continuous to the first break and forgot myself completely and I was like, let's go and play because we finished all the breaks from the break and I'm done. I was like, no, you haven't finished 4 hours. Go back to work, mother. So yeah. Yeah. When I start coding or when I start, oh god. Yeah, I contacted someone. I will ask his guidance or counsel about marketing and stuff, and hopefully he will answer me. But for now, let's close his pages because this is a little bit embarrassing. Oh god, I have flies problem. I need to spray the room, clean it well. I haven't cleaned it well for a while. Can I focus on code? Yes, yes. So yeah, I'm not ready for the stream, but I'm trying to make it so. So we have few issues, and one of the most annoying ones of these issues is whenever I click on the menu component, it will ignore the click and set it as the priority. So if we go to check clicked, I believe, see this one, and here I believe I should check the last first because we have a priority list. Oh wait, I'm printing them from the last, right? Yeah, I need to check how the order goes. Yeah, I'm printing them from the last, sorry. Sorry. So first is the most important. That's mean it's the top because this one set priority to this one and set priority to, oh come on, 12F. Oh wow, is it that long really? Jesus. I believe the first is the most important, so take it as my word, right? Close. Goodbye. How about to start the timer now, because we start to think about the problem seriously. So what I'm trying to say is, when you have more than one menu, and when you click on it, it usually either do the click if it is the most prior, or make it a prior. How about to change the crap a little bit? So, and it must be visible too. And it must contain the crap. So the else goes for this one, if it is prior or not. So how about, instead of having this code, we do this. Click. Fuck like. So now, if it's one last thing. If it is not the first element, do the same things, but first make it the first element. With that, we should be able to drag the stupid objects and items from the bag without the need to click twice on them. Let's take a look. First of all, let's try to click on invisible items or objects, just because. Yeah, this is another thing. The release is even on normal clicks, because the distance is 0, still the release will be released. There is no standard for the engine to calculate the release, and I might put a standard for it. It must be in at least 0.1 to consider it as a drag. So I might consider doing that. So if we open this one and open this one and drag, see, I don't need to click and then click to, so we solved this issue, but I'm afraid it might screw up some of the issues. This is another problem. We cannot drag and release over another content. So if I drag from here to here, will it consider it drag from this or this? In this code, we checked if it is must be most prior, so it will only do the drag from here to here if it is on the top. See, this one's not on the top, but the mouse doesn't contain this one, it contains this one. So it immediately consider the drag, and because I'm dragging nothing happened. And let's try to do this. Oh, you can't, you must have it, eh? Then this, and this, then this, and this, this. Alright. So we solved this issue. It wasn't that difficult, thanks God, because I was already doing some kind of check of invisibility and if it contains, so I didn't have to do it. The second problem, so let's let the menu register the click and drag when they are not on the top priority. We solved this problem. Not you. Stop. We will take a look on you in a second. Let's move this one to the weekly progress. Thank you. And back, down, back, up. Dragging and releasing mouse over invisible menus. Yeah, this will. So let's try to make the drag release only happens when you're not only clicking. That's mean putting some limits to our stupidity. So wow. Check drags if there is no GUI, it immediately return false and say fuck off. I believe few projects this thing returned me an error and screwed me up because I didn't add the menus and I was clicking on the map or something. So yeah, and I really hate it when I see wrong indentation like this. It just, what the hell happened here? Really hate it. You don't believe how much I hate it. Make me feel sick sometimes. Alright, where were we? Oh yes, check dragging. I might... Oh, it immediately send the dragging for checking the dragging to the menu. Oh, here. I believe, no. Y plus 10. If it is visible, I believe I done this code before I learned there's something called rectangle contain. So how about to eh, eh. Whoops, what was the mouse position? Which one did I compare it to? Yeah. I mean, what the hell am I doing? وهل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون صدق الله العظيم. Just, yeah. Let's see if I didn't kill everything. Actually, this won't matter. Yeah, it's definitely when the drag and release is over another object. I don't know why it's completely whacked. Oh, this one I changed it recently to make the release based on the object. It doesn't need to be found to why this guy is taking the value from the control manager and the guy before him is taking the value from the function itself. I mean, no, this will Jesus. This should be the same as this, no? Oh, it's yeah, I have many variables for the mouse, relatively where it's dragged and stuff. Static drag release to the control manager itself. Figured this is the distance that the mouse cut when it release the menu, but why when I release it on another window it screwed up everything? This is the question. Is dragging current mouse state release? Is dragging is false? Mouse Victor, mouse start dragging, dragging distance is 0. So let's try to do this. Okay, 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 okay. Diagnostics, debug, mouse position. So actually, let's take both as usual. So let's try to drag this and see if successful happens. No, it failed. Um, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Did I drag it to the right? Yes. Then why is this one is 164? I hated when this thing stopped auto to drag. Toggle world wrap, clear all. Okay, maybe now it will auto. What the hell? Okay. Actually, when it was successful, drag release from the main menu has not been fired. This is unbelievable. This is truly unbelievable. I don't know what I have done to cause the GUI to act like this. I never seen this problem before. So definitely there is an issue, and God, I believe this code was okay, but not anymore. What have we done? So drag release. Wait a minute. Why if the C value GR contains? So this is the drag release. If I want to release an object on another object. But what if I want to just release the object? I see. Drag release should, oh, I was thinking, it happens when you release a menu over another menu or something over another menu. But it seems drag release as well is responsible on dragging. And why this thing didn't happen? Because this one returned true. Okay, think. But why is this is true? What if I do something like if drag number is greater or equal to 0, and moved it here, and I don't need to make else because it will return true, and here just return false. because there is no drag and no object to drop over another object. That's what I don't understand. What just happened here? So let's move our test conditions in here. And there was someone else who's printing stuff. Let's remove him. Well, I will need to test stack soon. Damn. Hello. Goodbye. Very small inventory. Can I put the gun here? Come on, I know you can. Ta-da! Oops. What? Oh. Um. Hmm. Um. Hmm. This is bad. Oh, because it's so small. Oh, I can drag it from here. Damn it. This is way too small that he thought I was dragging on this object. Oh boy. And we got the same problem that I tried to fix before. If I moved my mouse to the dragon position, it start to drag. And it shouldn't. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We solved the problem and killed and opened in an old one. Anyway. Ta-da! Now, how the hell did that happen? Oh, excuse me. Why the hell did it disappear? I'm trying to find out the reason. Yeah, we need to keep the GUI inside the page. Why did it jump back? I don't understand the effect. Look at that. And this is making me feel really freaking tired, to be honest. Let me check drag. Check drag. Check drag. Can I say if... Yeah. I need to make is drag universal. And whenever I'm dragging, stop check dragging again. Mother mofo. Drag number. Okay, calm down. I could, and I would, and I did. I'm thinking when this thing returned true, I raise a flag and say, I am dragging. Stop checking. So public static pool is dragging or so if it is dragging, just oops. No, it's return true. And here, true, false. Whoops. And and whenever I do the release, I make it false. Make it false, make it false, make it false. Hopefully I didn't screw up something. Why it's loading? Why it's loading? Did I screw it up? Is it because the position is negative? Should I make it universal that whenever I release, the X must be positive and Y? That might solve some issues, but I can do that as well. So we make some kind of limitation to not leave the screen. That might solve the issue completely, but let me test some of the stuff. Like I will click here and drag and still same problem. So oh, I made some coffee and forgot about it completely. Since when do I have it? Dang it. What's bothering me is we use the GUIs in our operation system since Well, since Windows 3.1, not since first computer, because before the DOS and before the Commodore and before the IBM thing, there were no Windows, for me at least. So since Windows 3.1 for me. And well, Windows 3.1, Windows dragging and stuff didn't exist as well. The position of the Windows directory were kind of fixed. But anyway. It doesn't matter since when. What I'm trying to say, it became trivial to us. Oh yeah, the smartphones don't have these kinds of window dragging more than app dragging, eh? I mean, I never used anything except the iPhone from a smartphone, so I'm not sure about the Android. Does it have Windows and stuff? But Windows Phone, I believe it has the GUI Windows thing that we are. Why am I talking about that? What I'm trying to say, it seems a very trivial thing, but oh boy. Oh boy. Programming one from scratch is another story. Oh, the ghost is not drawing anymore. To be honest, I'm not doing good job. I start to program with my ass, and this is bad. This is bad. Usually whenever I do that, I start to break my own code without thinking. So let me just cancel everything I have done and just call it a day. Remember, kid, even this I didn't say it right. Remember, kids, don't program with your ass. Yeah, this is not the first or the last time that I'm doing this. I mean, programming with my ass. Throwing things and trying it out. It usually screw up the code and it usually ends really bad. Well, I want to solve the problem. That's the problem. I'm really not happy with the problem. So, let's see. Yeah. At least, please. Yeah, at least I can see the drawing. Oh well, school life. I mean, school today. I'm not going to program anymore. I tried. I drank my coffee. I listened to music. I watched listen and watch podcasts, and nope, not in the mood. What I want to do is to kill. That was annoying. That was really noisy. I don't remember the fire rate was that fast, but Jesus Christ. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will try to fix this issue. Hopefully tomorrow.